kids. I'm trying to make a video while going down to the creek. Last time I started, I fell in a hole and tripped. And now we're walking across what we call the very hard thing to walk across. It's all rocks.
I'm Karen.
Yeah, she's Karen.
Yeah.
She made me fucking...
Hey, I didn't mean
You made me trip in a hole and fall, and now my toe hurts.
How did I make you do that?
Oh, I forgot about all that.
All what?
All this. We have to walk
The weeds.
through it.
I hate them.
Somebody needs to come down with a lawnmower. Maybe the sun needs to go away for a while. A little bit. Last time I was down here, I was with Nick, Michael, Darren. Oh my God, it's a spider web.
Where? There is no spider web.
There was. Nick, Darren, Michael, and Alma.
And you.
And me. And we went swimming in the creek. It's better than the pool. It's more refreshing. And
everybody start falling fell in there.
Yeah, and I was like totally ignoring my boyfriend Michael. And I was hanging out with Alma and Nick.
Michael was like hanging out with me.
Yeah, they make a good couple.
No, we don't.
They do.
No, we don't.
Oh my gosh, she totally likes you. It's a fucking dog!
Where?
Oh my God, there was just a dog! There was just a dog! Look out! It's a dog! What the hell?
Where did it attack us?
Oh my God! Is that a deer or a dog?
That's a dog!
That's a dog. Come here, buddy. It's a dog. Come here, buddy.
Is it a boy?
Are you okay? No, it's a girl. Come here.
Oh my God!
I know this dog. Please don't. There's a whole bunch of these dogs. Come on, we have to bring it back to our house.
Gracie? Gracie?
No, it's not Gracie.
No, this girl.
Go to my house and get a collar.
Why do I have to do it?
Because, okay, then stay with the dog.
Okay.
In the camera.
Look at this little puppy.
Yeah, she said that she was just gonna kill me. Oh shit. Come on, sit down, sit. Come on, sit. You're okay. You're okay.
No. No, no. No, no. Am-ber! Nope.
Come on. Come on. What did your mom say? Hurry! It's trying to escape. It's trying to go. What are you gonna do? Wrap the thing around? Oh, it's scared. It's scared. It's scared. Come on, buddy. Go. Go. Come on, girl. Come on, Lovey. Oh, come on, Love. Wait, what do you want to do about the camera? Is it still on? Yes. Let's put it under the grease. I'm hot. Come on. She probably needs water. I'm making sure I do not choke her. Come on. Come on, little puppy. Just let it be.
Let it go?
Yeah.
No. Sharon, Napier, you're stupid if you want to let it go.
It probably needs food. It's hungry.
So then I'll bring it back tomorrow.
Hey, look at my face. You don't know if it has rabies. Do you want food? Treat? Food? Treat? I don't know. I should have brought a collar. Can you turn this off? Why? Turn it off.